In this short video, I will give you two things for free. The first is a calculator to calculate the amount of wasted money on induction motors, and the second is a procedure about what should be done. All you need is a multimeter, a laser alignment tool, and a spreadsheet calculator. The procedure. First, measure amps for each phase. Put the values in the table to calculate the total amps before alignment. Second, stop the motor and perform accurate laser alignment. Third, start the motor again, measure the amps for the phases and put the values again in the calculator and calculate the total amps after performing alignment under the same operating conditions. The savings will be shown in the calculator based on information taken from motor nameplate, the motor operating hours per year, the cost of kilowatt hour, and finally, the amps reduction after performing accurate alignment. Best practices will always save you a lot of money. If you have any question, or if you need assistance, or if you want us to send you the calculator for free, send us an email and we will be glad to respond. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the coming videos.